boys finished?
That means yeah.
Then let's go find that intruder.
We're the, puppies. I'm Whip, this is Tip, Blip, Flip, and Jumpers.
I'm the runt.
We do, but not if we all get split up.
We'll all go to the same person, or we don't go at all.
One for all, or all for none.
They got a point. Them bears eat dogs for snacks. If your guys got caught up in this group, they're goners for sure.
Wrong again. Don't that beat all? Whoever thought those cats would do us a solid like that, huh?
Oh, my tummy is solid.
Too much maple smoke goodness.
There's no such thing. Ew, correction. I have bacon belly.
Oh, boy. This gives me a big warm feeling in my tummy. No, wait. It's just gas.
Well, buddy, congratulations. You were very brave. You saved your family's food.
Oops.
Car.
You took my advice and tried to grease out behind that taco truck, didn't you?
Oh, yeah, baby. It's like a golden gutter of... Oh, boy, this stuff is the best.
You said it.
You know, I gotta admit, it's not half bad.
Quick, Strudel. Time for a girl.
Oh, we promise, Mommy. Pooches and I just love each other, don't we, Pooches?
Whatevs. Can someone get me another meat soda?
But please, sir, I need...
You'll take what I give you, and you will like it. Hold it. That is not...
Fire?
Nice, friendly name. Betty loves dogs. Or not.
Oh, seriously, anybody got another meat soda?